In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy Vue.js to Netlify. Before we jump into Netlify, make sure your Vue project is already hosted in a Git repository on GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. This is important because Netlify connects directly to your source code and uses that connection to build and publish your site automatically. If your project is already pushed to one of those platforms, you're ready to move on. Next, head over to the Netlify dashboard and either sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. Netlify's interface is very beginner-friendly, and this is where you'll manage your deployments, domains, and project settings. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard where new projects can be added. From there, click Add New Project and then choose Import an Existing Project. This tells Netlify that you want to connect a project from a Git provider rather than upload files manually. It's the best option if you want a smoother deployment workflow and automatic updates whenever you push changes to your repository. Now select your Git provider, whether that's GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket, and grant Netlify access to your account. During this part, Netlify may ask for permission to view your repositories. That access allows it to pull your code and create deployments directly from your selected project. If you have a lot of repositories, take a moment to make sure you're connecting the correct account. Once your Git provider is connected, choose the specific repository that contains your Vue application. This is the project Netlify will use for the deployment, so double check the repository name before continuing. Picking the right repo here prevents confusion later, especially if you manage multiple applications. After that, configure your build settings. In many cases, Netlify automatically detects that your app uses Vue and fills in the recommended settings for you. That usually means it recognizes the build command and the publish directory without much manual setup. Even so, it's a good idea to quickly review those values before deploying just to confirm everything looks correct for your project. Finally, click Deploy Site. Netlify will begin building your Vue application, and once the build finishes successfully, it will generate a live URL for your site. This gives you an instant hosted version of your app that you can open, test, and share, and that's it. Your Vue.js app is now deployed on Netlify. From this point on, future updates can be much easier to manage, especially when connected through your Git repository.